Welcome back to Sensory Shorties, where this time it's Bizarre Chocolate Bars 2. The Quickening. 2 bars, 2 bizarre. Faster and Furiouser. So this time, our friend, and by ours I mean he's my friend, Ryan has sent us some new bizarre chocolate bars to try. And so I haven't opened them yet, and I thought since Valentine's Day is chocolate, now would be the perfect time. So now I'm gonna completely disrespect his packing job and just rip it apart for the entertainment of all 3 people on YouTube. And so we have, gosh darn it, cat. So we have a strawberry lemonade. That actually sounds pretty good. We have a sour toffee apple, and then we also have a magic hot cocoa bar. I wonder what makes this one magic. Oh, it says on the back, I'm gonna have to cut every time you do that. It says on the back, is it magic? Tell us. And you can tell them at the link I've described in the description. On the back of the sour toffee apple, it says, is it a trick or a treat? I guess that's more Halloween than Valentine's Day, which is where I'm planning to upload this. And is strawberry lemonade part of your perfect summer? Let them know. Not in their comments section. I don't think they have a YouTube. If they do, I'll help. I guess let's do this in bizarre order. As last time, we're going to be going from least bizarre to me to most. Although the last 2 are kind of similar in bizarreness, bizarrosity. And so let's open this one up. Stop that. Look, you can be in my lap. Listen, cat, you can't do this. This is my show. Everyone's going to think it's your show. And then you're going to be more popular than me. So we have... It has little... I should probably make it that you can actually see what I'm doing. It has little star bits in the background. Not like Mario star bits, but like little... kind of like sprinkled bits. I'll get a better shot of that and superimpose it. It'll probably be over here. Knowing me, I like kind of that side of empty space more so than that side. It's also hard to tell. And it's that... Right, the smell test, very important. Smells like chocolate. Who would have thought? There's something... Oh, there's gooey inside. There's something gooey inside. Red and gooey. I looked at my thumb and I was like, oh no. Am I bleeding? But no. It's just the bar. Oh no, it's Pop Rocks. It is magic. Oh no! Yes, so it was actually a bit unexpected. It's a bit of a gimmick. I actually had an ice cream once where they put Pop Rocks in. So yeah, that was a surprise. So I guess I'm definitely surprised. Otherwise, it's just good milk chocolate with some crunchy bits. And if you don't know, you're gonna be getting a Pop Rock release. It's actually kind of fun. So I rate this one number of Harry Potter books, because that's magic, out of 10. You know, I actually stopped reading Harry Potter after, like, The Half-Blood Prince because I got bored. Never saw the last movie either. Stop looking at me like that. No one else can see you anymore because you're sitting in my lap. So I feel like the strawberry lemonade might actually be kind of a nice break from actually having all that chocolate. I probably shouldn't have eaten 2 pieces, but I liked it. It was fun. So for our strawberry lemonade, a lemonade serenade. I once made strawberry basil soda. I feel like I mentioned that episode recently. I was warned it was going to be white chocolate somewhere in here. So yeah, let's try this white chocolate. I guess flavor like lemon and strawberry probably would be too overpowered by chocolate anyway. Like chocolate. It actually smells like lemon. I think I could use that sniffing sound effect today. Shoot, it reminds me of something. There's a biscotti a family friend makes, dipped in white chocolate. It has lemon and cranberry usually. Is this one sparkly too? Or is it just because I still have sparkles from the last one? Let's check the ingredients. Yeah, I think it's in there. Yep, popping candy. So I'm not crazy. I guess I'm in a positive mood right now. You should do a study of whether or not having a cat in your lap improves the perception of food. It's just kind of a sweet lemon. It's not a very acidic lemon. More like a lemon drop candy than like a, I'm lemon, I'm here to burn your house down. That's what you do when life gives you lemons. And did you know that lemons actually contain more sugar than strawberries? There's your food trivia for the day. I always have to fit that in somewhere. It's weird though, I can't put a number to this one. And I can't think of anything clever. And there's nothing fruit related I could do for a rating. I'm gonna give this one a 7 out of 10. This time I'm checking, does this one have popping candy? Is this one gonna startle me too? No. This is a handmade Belgian white chocolate bar with a caramel apple flavor filling. I guess I kind of just spoiled for myself what this one's like, but this is the last bar. Let's open it and see. It's bar-shaped! Who would have thought? Don't worry, I'm fine. Just choking a bit because the train went by again. And B, there's a cat in my lap. So this is again a white chocolate one with a filling that's supposedly sour apple and toffee flavored. And it doesn't smell much like apple. It smells a bit caramelly. And now I'm going to eat it. And you're going to watch. Like, comment, subscribe. No, I don't like this one as much. I was kind of hoping... You say sour, right? Sour toffee apple? I guess it should be sour apple toffee, but... So here's my problem. You say sour on the label. I'm expecting sour. And it's just still really, really sweet. But I guess it's kind of expected of toffee. But in that case, you could have burnt the toffee a bit. Not like burn, but like not getting so much just sugar. Especially since it's white chocolate, which is already pretty sweet all the time. I feel like I would have liked it more if it was like a dark chocolate! Let me try one a little further down though. Maybe there's more filling in the middle ones, and that'll make me happier. Oh wow, yeah, there's a lot more filling here. I don't think I can eat all that. Yeah, the filling's okay on its own. But add the white chocolate, it's just too sweet. I feel like if we're gonna do it with white chocolate, it needed to be more acidic. So that one's probably my least favorite of the bunch. I'd give it a number of apples currently in my fridge out of 10. I'll give you guys the fridge report when I'm done filming this. Alright, let's see how many apples I actually have in here. 1, 2... Anything else? No, I don't see any more apples. 2 seems kind of low, though, so let's just multiply it by 2 and say we had 4. Alright, good, bye. So that is our second round of Bizarre Chocolate. Thank you again to Ryan, who sent these my way. Thank you again to the train for interrupting my videos. I'd like to thank the train for really training me in patience. I'd like to thank the cat, as she really likes to join these videos since I did a different setup. Since I'm not in a chair that's too high for her to jump into. She would also like to try the chocolate. Cat, please. Cat, no. No chocolate for kitties. No chocolate for kitties. So if I had to put these in order, I guess I gave them numbers, if you can compare them. I don't know if any of the numbers ended up the same. But I guess I actually liked the lemon raspberry the most because it triggered a food memory for me. It's like that scene in Ratatouille where the critic eats the ratatouille and then he's like, oh, and like remembers his grandmother's cooking or whatever. Because food's really powerful at evoking that kind of stuff. I guess definitely next would be the magic, since it surprised me. Being sparkly surprised me a lot less the second time with the lemon one, but whatever. And the sour one was full of lies, so I'm feeling a bit sour about that myself. Thank you again for watching. If you have anything else you'd like me to try, let me know. I don't have anything else important to say.